Everything will start turning well for you. If you go for a job interview, you will surely get it. If you ask for favor, favor will start coming to you. Hello everyone, how you all doing? You're welcome back to my channel. So in case you are new here, you're so welcome. I am Pamela. I believe you are doing perfectly fine because I'm very good. Today, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how you can pray perfectly for speedy answer. How to pray for immediate answer, very fast answer. Okay, I'll be showing you some psalms that you can use to pray for speedy answers. This has been working so well for people. By the end of this video, you will learn 3 things: how to pray for speedy answers, the right time to pray for speedy answers, and also the psalms you can use for speedy answers. If you have been praying before and you have not been getting answers to your prayers, or if your request has been delayed, at the end of this video, we learn how to pray for speedy answers. So the first thing you should do is to pray in the midnight. This work should be done in the midnight, around that 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. also. Okay, you have to get a bucket of water, because if you use water, okay, water is very powerful. You have to use water. So why I said midnight is because midnight is actually the best time to pray. That is the time the wicked powers operate. And if you need anything from God, that is the best time to pray for speedy answers. Another reason to do this work in the midnight around this time is because of disturbance. You don't need any noise around this time when you are doing this work. You don't need any disturbance when you are doing this work. You don't need to talk to anybody. You don't need any distraction. So during this time, everywhere will be so calm. So you have to get the bucket of water, your usual bathing bucket, okay, because you are going to bathe with the water. As you bring the bucket of water, these are the verses you should use to pray. Psalm 35. I don't know if you are familiar with Psalm 35. Very powerful verse. Psalm 35 is so powerful. You just have to go through it and you see every word by word. Very powerful. If you want to liberate yourself, if you want to fight your enemy, if you want open doors, Psalm 35 is just for you. Psalm 51 is very powerful. If you need mercy from God, this is the verse you should focus on. Every word by word is very strong and very spiritual. Another psalm you should read is Psalm 136. These verses are so special. You have to incorporate it into your prayers and you see everything turning around for you. So you have to start with Psalm 51 to ask for mercy first. As you just bring the water, you start with Psalm 51. You read all the verses, okay? Then you start praying for mercy. Then the second one is Psalm 35. You have to pray also as you read the verses. Just make sure the water is in your front. And the last one to read is Psalm 136. After reading the verses, then you start asking for your requests. Touch the water, and as you pray, you touch it for anything you want. If you want God to fight your battle, you start praying. If you want to ask for mercy, anything you want. If you want a love partner, if you want a lifetime partner, if you want money into your home, if you want increase, anything you are doing, just your requests, hand it over to God. As you touch the water, just mix it up as you pray. Do not be distracted. Remember, okay, this is highly effective, very spiritual. So after doing so, you have to leave the water like that. Leave it on. You can just decide to go to bed, go back to bed. Early morning, you just have to have your bath without talking to anybody. Early morning, just do it very early before you wake up. In case you are a very busy type or you want to attend to children that early before they go to school, you just have to bathe, have your bath before you do that. That way you won't be distracted. You won't have anybody talking to you. Make sure it's first thing before you attend to anyone at home. Before you talk to anyone, just go to your bathroom and have your bath. bathe with the water, okay? That water is not a blessed water. If you are seeking for total healing, you will get total healing. Anything you are looking for will just start manifesting to your life. If you need favor, anything at all, you just have to bathe with it. As you are bathing with it, you have to be thanking God for the work, for the successful work. It's going to work actually for you. And I believe you come back for testimonies, because this has been helping so many people, and that is because it's highly effective. Do this every day. Do this for 7 days. 7 days midnight prayer with water, okay? And most importantly, the verses, the psalms, everything will start turning well for you. If you go for a job interview, you will surely get it. If you ask for favor, favor will start coming to you all rounds. People will just love you for no reason. So do this like this and you see everything turning good for you. That is all for now. If you love this video, if you love my channel, subscribe, give this video a like, share this video to everyone that will need it, okay? I will be seeing you in my next video. Remain blessed. I love you.